Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Weld wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the Weld. This is one of their custom forged wheels. It's called the Weld Prostar, and they come 15 by 14 right here, and backspace 5.5, and then it's bolt pattern 5x120.65. So this is a polished wheel, which is a -51 offset. Part number whenever you shop for this wheel, guys, is this one, 96-514280. It'll take you straight to this wheel. This is a custom forged wheel, so this thing's gonna be looking good for a 15 by 14. So that's pretty wide for you guys. So let's see what this thing looks like. Take it out of the box. Here's your Prostar 15 by 14. So nice 14-inch wide wheel, deep dish, 5-spoke. This will take, let's see here. It looks like you'll need the shank style lug nut to go in there, and then they come with the center cap included. So it's a push through center cap with its valve stem to go with it too. So you got a shorty valve stem, push through cap, goes right in the center. It says Weld, bam. And here's your valve stem. So I'll leave this right here. Let me give you the lip size on this. So from the face of the wheel to the edge of the barrel, you're about almost 9 inches. There you go. And pretty wide wheel. If you look at it sideways, 15 by 14, this thing is pretty solid. Let me give you the wheel weight of this wheel. So I think most of you guys want to know what this thing weighs in at. So I'm gonna have to like tip this over. See how I could do this. £16.5 pounds. There you have it. So here you go. Your Prostar from Weld. If you guys are interested in a forged wheel like this, wide, deep dish for your drag car, check this out and feel free to give us a call. Thank you.